Remember to subscribe to the channel and put a like. That helps a lot.
하나, 둘, 셋.
안녕하세요. Welcome back for a new episode of Cafe Guard. We are here at Frolla one more time, drinking spritz. Grande, extra large. Salute. We make spritz here at Frolla. Before we continue, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and put a like. And today we're gonna watch the 16th episode of Vincenzo. I've heard some rumors about this episode, which is pretty cool. So let's check it out and see what happens. I'm very curious.
Salute.
So good. And we have some taralli. Really delicious taralli with the flavors.
꼬리.
What's this guy going? Vincenzo? Rooftop? What's going on? He needs a lot of running.
Chi è?
Who is this? Holy! He sounded like a bag of potato literally dumped from 10 meters altitude. It's a man.
It's really bad and
Wow. Splatter moment.
shit.
Vincenzo Castano shit.
First
Mister.
shit.
Mister.
Bad timing.
What is he gonna do now?
How can he prove it's not him?
Quando ti trovi nella parte di una trappola,
Abduction and murder.
prova di toccare nel fondo.
Well,
It's good.
very good pronunciation for this. I never heard of this saying. Never heard of it.
Normally you don't use this phrase.
I never used it because I was never in trouble. Vincenzo is too smart for you guys. You cannot get it. If I, don't tell me this guy's going to see his mother.
Why always looks very dark? Maybe very late.
Night. She knows. Oh no. Fuck, he could use a bit of a better method for to do that. Something less invasive, maybe? Bad way to end. Just now that Vincenzo and mother were back together.
Poverini.
This
Furious.
is going to make Vincenzo furious. More than furious. He got blood here on his hand. Very fashionable hospital. Like a 3D. Already? Police? Wow. Very quick. That's heavy. Very heavy.
It's really shocking, woman.
Yeah. They kill your mother in the hospital.
Oh,
yeah.
shit.
That's like un criminale incallito. Criminale! Ecco cosa sei! Vedi? Sangue. P. P. Sound P.
Okay. How come they don't have emotion, these guys?
They're dancing.
How come they can be so bad?
Here's one up. Boom, 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 boom. Punch her face. Head.
Psycho.
They are both psycho, right?
Both are psycho.
He's going to catch him. You're gonna pay for this!
Gone.
Where did you get the gun, Vincenzo? Where the hell did he get this gun from? It's Zippo time.
Big trouble time. Psycho.
What's happening?
누구세요?
누구세요?
Whoosh.
He just opened the door after killing somebody.
He's not afraid for anything.
He doesn't even
He's
blink. Oh shit,
super
Matarallo.
angry.
Vincenzo doesn't
송중기.
blink, doesn't close his eye at all.
He's super angry. Big trouble.
Nothing can stop Vincenzo now.
Niente.
Don't kill him. Don't kill him. Oh, money.
네 어머니.
No money.
손잡고 싶다 갑자기 경찰차가
Angry and then you go to the hospital and kill woman.
That's a great excuse.
Oh.
Pakarak. No, Sonkarak.
He's coming.
Oh my god,
Like a
Sonkarak.
zombie.
Yeah, like a zombie. By wall to the house. Instead of train to Busan. Vincenzo is a mask of blood. The guy is a blood figure. No, holy shit. Oh, don't challenge Vincenzo. He looks like the Terminator guy from Terminator 2. The bad guy from Terminator. Robot. He must have trained a lot to do this scene. A lot of martial art training. Sonkarak guy is in deep trouble. Palkarak?
Maybe only
Only Sonkarak. Gopher.
takali.
What's Takali?
Takali.
Point.
No, like asterisk.
Takari.
She pressed something.
Something is going to happen here, and the spritz is almost finished. What?
Shit.
It's a zombie.
Zombie.
Oh. Is this heavy?
Yeah.
Vincenzo is not kidding.
He's super angry.
You have to pay the consequences now.
Yeah, they did too much. They shouldn't cross this border.
They cross it in a really extreme way. Sorry guys, you're gone. Vincenzo!
Cassano!
What do you think of the episode?
What's gonna happen?
Really sorry for Vincenzo's mother and really glad finally met with them in these circumstances. They're gonna go through hell because of that.
Hell.
It was really great to see the vendetta of Vincenzo. Remember, vendetta va servita su un piatto freddo. Revenge is better served on a cold plate. Usually you should wait and then you do vendetta. That's the best way. Although Vincenzo acted in anger, so I'm not sure really what's gonna happen in the next episode. Hopefully Vincenzo doesn't get framed. I know, he's always come out somehow of the situation. He's gonna make it.
I hope.
And they're gonna go through hell, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching again, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel, put a like. This is Chu. Can you introduce yourself?
Now. Hi, I'm Chu.
And I'm Fausto. See you at Frolla. If you want to come to see us and say hi, come to Frolla Songsu. We are here every day except for Monday. We're gonna have a coffee, sandwich, salads, natural wines, antipasti,
And
aperitivo, spritz,
Vincenzo espresso coffee.
espresso, Vincenzo espresso, latte piccolo, flat white, cappuccino, mocha,
Americano.
Americano. Come anytime. We're here. Ciao.
Boom.